Hey, what's up? I'm over here.
The bee.
What's that?
The bee.
Well, come over here. Let me see. Tell me about it.
This one. Give it to me. Right there.
Where?
In the tunnel.
In the tunnel under the hammock?
No.
Huh?
He abuses me.
He did what?
He abuses me.
Say that one more time.
He abuses me.
He does?
He does.
Wow.
Go away, go away, go away.
Go away, bee.
Go away, bee.
Shoo. Shoo him away. How are you gonna do it?
I'm swinging him.
You're swinging at him?
Yeah. Bum.
Where did he go? Show me. Go over there.
Right there.
Oh yeah, do you see him?
Go away, bee. Go away, baby.
Is it a nap time for the midget?
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
I think it is. It's almost 2 o'clock and you haven't had one yet. What are you gonna draw for me today? What's that?
Blue, blue, blue.
Yeah? Where are you going?
Oh, it's a purple.
What?
That's purple.
Where? No. Not on the lens.
Yeah.
Get back up there and draw something. Go on, go up top.
I'm coming too. I'm coming. I'm come too. No. I'm come too. I'm coming.
I think you're gonna have to hug for a minute, Mama.
Okay, come here.
Oh, somebody give that thing some love.
Can you help us up here?
Stand up and give Mama your arms. Stand up. She's taking you up in there with her. Come on. Pull.
I think you might. Oh. Oh. You know what this means, right? You have to hug me.
Hug? Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Poo-poo.
Whoa.
What happened?
I think,
All the girls almost fell out.
I think what she says is true.
Oh yeah? Let's go take a look, Lovey.
Yeah.
Yep, it's time.